Today we're going to take the film out of this box of Ilford SFX 200 speed film, and we're going to load a couple cameras with it. To open the box, you simply lift up the tabs here and pull this tab off the box. We pull this tab off the box so that if your camera has a memo holder in it, you can slide the tab into the memo holder, and then you'll know what type of film you're using while you take photos. Next, we'll remove the plastic tub and then the 35mm film from the tub. This is a 200 ISO film. To load a camera that has an automatic advance like this one does, simply open the back, drop the film into the cassette chamber, pull out a leader, and line up the leader with the index on that side. Close the back, and the film will either start advancing automatically, or you'll hit the shutter button and it will advance automatically. Some cameras have silver pins in here, and those read the DX code on the film. The DX code tells the camera how fast the film is, the speed. If your camera, like this one, does not have DX code pins, you'll need to manually set the film speed after you load it. ASA and ISO are the same thing. This 200 ISO film will function like a 200 ASA film in those cameras. For cameras like this one that have a manual advance, we're going to start by opening up the back of the camera. We're going to drop the film into the cassette chamber and push the forks in place. Pull out a leader and slide it into the take-up spool. Put our finger over the sprockets like this, and then advance. Close the back. Advance to frame 1, and remember to set your film speed to 200 for this film. Your ASA and ISO should be at 200.